everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, you guys, I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. Walgreens is a very slow this week. I'm just giving you guys a heads up. I think it's just because with their new program, or I don't know what the heck is going on, but there's a lot of candy deals, the most things. I did have one glitch and I will show you guys that, but I did do a digitals video, but there's hardly any digitals to use, you guys, so I will add that digital video to the end of this. There's like a couple more deals that you guys can do than what I did show you guys, but yeah, it's just bad. I don't know what, if it's because of the new program coming or what, but I mean, I tried searching for stuff and there's just, it's hard to say. But I am here to share with you guys what I got. My store finally had, sorry, my husband's calling. My store finally had a sign that says changes are coming. They didn't know as much details yet, but I will definitely let you guys know, and I will be doing a video of all the new stuff. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So the deal of the week is the Reese's candy. These are on sale for $1.99. These are my latest addiction. I've been chopping these up and putting them in ice cream. They taste so good. But these are on sale for $1.99. You guys want to buy 2 of them. We do have a $1 off a 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You guys would get these for $2.98 or just $1.49 a piece. So I usually like, you know, I like to buy candy for Halloween, but like this stuff I like to keep for Halloween to hand out, but I also can't control myself on eating it. Oh, and my store was sold out of the Werthers. I was like looking everywhere for it and they were sold out. I'm like, man, I've gone so many places to find these Werthers caramel apple chewy things. I'm gonna have to order it on the internet or something. But anyways, I got the toffee fade. Now these are on sale, 2 for $4. My store didn't have these marked. They had the turtles marked, but they didn't have these ones marked, but they did ring up 2 for $4. You guys want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $4 for the both of these, but then you guys can submit. There are some Ibotta deals. I'm trying to share with you guys as many Ibotta deals as I can, but there is a $1.50 off a 2 Ibotta deal for this, so you guys would just get these for $2.50 or $1.25. So it's up to you guys if you want these. I'm not a big fan of this stuff. My husband will eat these, so he's more than welcome to have it. Now, I've been getting little candy bars here and there. I ended up getting the Rolos, and I found out they had Carmelos, which is awesome. This one feels like it's broken. But anyways, I got the Carmelos. These were 4 for $3. There is a coupon in the Walgreens booklet that you guys want to have them scanned for $1 off of 4. You guys will get these for just $2 or 50 cents a piece. So I've been getting these just because they're the best candy. I love Rolos. I love that. I did do another Ibotta deal. I did do the Butterfinger. I've been doing this deal at Walmart, and I thought, you know what, I'm just still going to do it at Walgreens. So these were on sale for 89 cents. You guys would pay 89 cents for this Butterfinger, but then you guys can submit a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta, and that rebate does end soon. I think it ends in like 4 days or something like that, but you would get this just for 64 cents. So if you guys want to get that candy bar, go for it. Okay, the next deal I did was the Olme makeup removers. Okay, now you're supposed to get a $5 register reward. My $5 register reward did not print, but I did get 5,000 points. So I don't know if you got 5,000 points instead of the register reward, because this is the only thing I can figure out how I got the points that I did. Sorry, there's a guy walking behind me that I thought I recognized, but it's not who I thought it was. So these are $5.99. You guys want to use that 3 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts maybe, what, 2 weeks ago? You would pay $8.98 for the both of these. But then you are supposed to get a $5 register reward, but I ended up getting 5,000 points. So let me know what you guys got if you do this deal. But it comes out to be just $3.98 or $1.99 a piece. So I just wanted to share with you guys on that. I have enough makeup remover stuff, but I still wanted to get more because you can never have enough. You can never have enough. So I did the Chic deals. Now, you guys can use those dollar off coupons with these. I wanted to share with you guys different deals. I did use 2 paper coupons, and then the digital one came off of this one. So, just giving you guys a heads up, you can mix and match however you want to do it. But these are $1.99. You guys want to use 2 dollar off coupon that we got in our inserts today, or you guys can use the printable coupons, okay? So if you use that, you would end up paying $1.98 for the both of these, but then you get 2,000 points, making them absolutely free. Now, I ended up having the dollar off digital that came off, so I ended up getting these for $1. I got these for like 50 cents a piece, which is still a great deal. If you guys do not have those coupons and you still want to do this deal, this is an all-month deal, but again, $1.99, you guys would pay $3.98 for 2 of them. You get 2,000 points, comes out to be $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece if you guys want to do that. Okay, so then I did the other Chic, or the other thing. I've been getting so much men's stuff. I'm like, let's just get the women's stuff. So these last week are $2.99, okay? I used 2 $1 off coupons that we got in today's inserts or printables. You would pay $3.98 for the both of these, but then you get 2,000 points when you buy 2 of them. You can pay with points to do this deal, but you guys would get, sorry, I'm just yawning all of a sudden. I talk too much and I don't give myself enough time to breathe. But you guys would get these for $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece. So I feel like I get more men's shave than I do women's, so definitely doing that if you guys need to do that. And then I also did the razor deal. Why is my other one missing? Okay. I think this is the last deal I got for you guys. Nope, I got one more for you. So I ended up getting these Chic Skintimate razors. It says a sticky. Oh, it had a peely on. Somebody took it off. Anyways, these were $5.99. I used 2 $4 off coupons, either printable or the insert ones. You guys would get these for $3.98. But then you get 2,000 points, making them $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece if you guys need to get some razors. I think 99 cents a piece for razors is a pretty good deal. And then the last deal that I did do, I plan on doing this deal also at CVS, but I just wanted to do something a little bit small. So the Eucerin is on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. This was $5.99. I just depended on the $2 off digital coupon. So I used the $2 off digital coupon. It came out to be just $3.99. But then you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta. And this counts for Savings Star. If you spend $30, you get a, was it $5? I didn't even write that down. Do I have my phone with me? No, my husband called me and then I lost my phone. But you get a $5, I think it's $5. Yeah, oh, $6. You guys will get $6 back, and I'm like $9 away to get my $6 bonus for this. So, again, this would end up just being $2.49. So it's up to you guys if you want to go ahead and do that. I just wanted to share with you guys on some lotion. I'm going to probably keep this in my car because I need something small in my car. So that was my haul, you guys. It was kind of bad. We did get some toothpaste coupons, but nothing that I really wanted to do, you know. And then we did have a good deal with like Old Spice and Almay and stuff, but they're not Almay. Always? No. Secret. Sorry. But the digitals just weren't there, so I thought there was going to be some digitals, otherwise there was not. But my total came to $26.01. I did receive $3.25 back with Ibotta, and then I did get back $11 in points. So I got 2,000 times 3 for the Chic deal, so that's 6,000. And then I got an additional 5,000 points for the Almay, because on my receipt it doesn't say I hit beauty at all. It didn't say I hit beauty, it just said I'm $1.81 away from hitting beauty. So thought that was kind of weird. Oh, it could have been a bonus that I did. It could have been a bonus that I did. Yes. So anyways, I got $16 back with points because she did give me points. I totally forgot about that. So technically my total, instead of being $11.76, because I forgot I had that bonus, I came out to be $6.76. I ended up getting 18 items at just 37 cents a piece. So not the greatest deal, but hey, I just wanted to share with you guys some quick deals in case you needed to stock up on some stuff. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next week for Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye. The Revlon in All May is on sale, where if you guys buy 2 or more, you guys will get a $5 register reward. So you could buy the Revlon lips at $4.99. You want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $9.98, but then you get that $5 register reward, making it $4.98, or just $2.49 a piece. So the Secret deodorant, the Old Spice deodorant, and the Old Spice body wash is currently on sale, 2 for $11. You get 7,000 points when you buy 4. There is no digital coupon for the Secret. There might be some for the Old Spice, but let's say you bought all 4 without a coupon, you guys would pay $22 for this. But then you get 7,000 points when you buy 4. It comes out to be just $15 a piece, or yeah, $15, and then divided by 4 comes out to $3.75 a piece. The Walgreens ad, there is a coupon that you guys can use to get these for 99 cents. You can also get these plates, I think, also for 99 cents with a coupon. So definitely try to get the ad. My store has a printable thing that you guys can scan to get it for 99 cents. So the Tide Pods, the Tide Liquid, and the Bounce, the Downy, and some other Bounce. These are on sale for $4.99. You guys want to buy 4 of them, you would pay $19.96, but then you get a $6 register reward when you buy 4 of them. Comes out to be $13.96, or $3.49 a piece.